Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We spoke in the previous topic, rather, about preventing problems when it comes to raising chickens. But at times, there are certain things that we cannot prevent, that we cannot know in advance, and these are diseases that may affect the chickens. It does happen every year. There are always some outbreaks that may come in. They can actually either come through the air, or they can come through the food that they eat, or one of the infected chickens can also infect others as well. So you might not be able to prevent everything from happening, but you always need to have a plan of action that you have to implement whenever something goes out of control. So these are some of the types of diseases that you can expect to attack your chickens. The list is not exhaustive. You can research in your local area where you stay for more, so that you can be able to proactively plan for them in advance and be able to cure your chickens in the process. So there's a disease called Marek's disease. It's a viral disease that affects the central nervous system, and it can also cause paralysis in the chickens. So once you see them acting in showing paralysis symptoms, it might be an indication that this disease is starting to spread across your herd. So vaccination is the most effective method to prevent this kind of disease. There is also a disease called coccidiosis. So this is a parasitic disease that affects the intestines of chickens. So parasites are small animals or organisms that can enter into the body of a living organism and cause it problems. So that one, because it will be happening in the intestines, you can either give it some mix its food with medicines or water with the coccidiostates like Prolium, and they can also be used to treat and prevent this disease. There's another one as well called infectious bronchitis. This is a viral disease that affects the respiratory systems. So on this one, watch out for signs like coughing, sneezing, and running discharges in the nose, etc. Treatment for this kind of disease is mainly supportive care, such as providing warmth and proper nutrition. Just as someone who, a human being who is affected, who has just caught a cold, we give them a warm environment, and we also give them some medication where it is there, and make sure that we give them vitamins, especially vitamin C and others that might be lacking in their immune system. So here's a much more serious one, bird flu. This one can be transmitted even into humans upon consumptions. So once you notice that your chickens have this kind of disease, you just have to slaughter them all and burn them, and notify the authorities in the area so that the disease cannot spread. They are going to come and help you. Usually they come and help you disinfect your whole chicken run, so that they can stop the spread of the disease, because there are reports that even people can even end up dying when they eat birds that have been infected with this disease. So in general though, look out for the loss of appetite, docile nature, and sleepiness, the weakness, etc. Those are the signs that your birds might need quarantining or antibiotic treatment and further observation by probably, especially if you have some experts in the area, and this would be the stage where you have to call them so that they can also assist you further. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to the final stage now in the next topic.